Its three-line large and tall profile say SUV, yet the 2025 Audi Q7's driving disposition is shockingly energetic. In view of the A6, the Q7 envelopes a great deal of the vehicle's clean street habits alongside its upscale decorations. Models assigned 45 are controlled by a 261 HP turbocharged four-chamber motor and accompany all-wheel drive as standard. The update motor is a 335 HP turbocharged V6 that Audi introduces in the Q7 55. The V6 adds significant kick to the Q7's step. It hits 60 mph in 5.0 seconds in our testing, and increments towing ability to a heavy 7,000 pounds. Lodge decorations are suitably premium, and the inside plan follows other Audi models with a contemporary look sprinkled with computerized shows and mindfully positioned controls. The Q7 has been available starting around 2017. However, consistent refreshing has held it back from feeling past its sell-by date. A visual renewing for 2025 assists the Q7 with staying significant in the fair-size extravagance SUV commercial center. Yet it faces fierce opposition from more current, more present-day rivals, which incorporate the BMW X5, the beginning GV80, and the Mercedes-Benz GLE. Audi has given its three-line SUV a styling revive that sees a revamped grille, modified headlamps, refreshed tail lights, new outside variety choices, and new wheel plans. The Q7's lodge has been improved with some new upholstery and trim decisions, and the infotainment framework has been refreshed to incorporate application combinations for Spotify and Amazon Music. The cost of the 2025 Audi Q7 begins at $61,695 and goes up to $79,095, relying upon the trim and options. A 261 HP turbocharged four-chamber with a 12-volt crossover framework is standard and ought to fulfill everything except the most insightful drivers. Those looking for more punch will be more intrigued by the turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 that consolidates a 48-volt mixture framework and makes 335 drive. In spite of its mass, when the Q7 is fitted with the discretionary exhibition tires on 21-inch wheels, it feels low and flexible, similar to a siphoned-up sport cart. The movability of the discretionary air suspension, matched with the additional spryness of four-wheel guiding, makes the Q7 shockingly enjoyable to beat down a twisty dirt road. It likewise rides very smoothly. With its moderate contemporary plan, heaps of innovation, and fantastic solace and construct quality, the Lodge is an exceptional spot. Wonderful materials and configuration feature the Q7's inside, as do the savvy format of controls, and the agreeable seats highlight both more than adequate help and movability. Section-level premium forms come well-equipped, and the wealth of upscale elements can get especially rich in the higher trim levels. Likewise, with most three-column SUVs, there isn't a lot of freight space in the Audi's freight region when every one of its seats are being used. Yet its accessible space is tantamount with its key adversaries, and the rearmost column can be immediately raised or brought down by means of force controls, which compensates for the center line's to some degree ungainly activity. With all seats stashed, the Q7 had space for 25 of our portable bags.